गॅस कनेक्शनाची नवी जोडणी घेतल्यार 3 महिने गॅस फुकट दितले. गोवा नॅचरल गॅसाचो मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी MZ खानान सांगलें. 500 रुपया भरून कोणेय नाव नोंदणी करूं येता. उपरांत 3 महिने गॅस फुकट दितले.
गॅस कनेक्शन घेवपा खातीर सेक्युरिटी डिपॉझिट म्हणून अतिरिक्त 5,500 रुपया फारीक करचे पडटले खंय. सद्याक उत्तर गोंय आनी फोंडें म्हाला खातीर तांकां सरकारा कडल्यान मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या.
As we have given you a brief about this our plan and complete detail, what I would like to say that this is one of the good opportunity for country, city like Goa, and people may be able to use the opportunities which we are going to have our business plan in future in terms of providing CGD network, providing the domestic consumption, domestic connection, providing to the industrial consumers. And I see here that Goa is a very dynamic and very potential industrial consumers are over, and this is going to be a good opportunity for all those industries, small industries, to convert them into a gas so that they may be able to benefit in terms of getting better economics in their plant. Not only that, this will also help to get our government's policy to convert to use the gas from energy mix basket from 6.5% to 15%. So our government focus is always to get this all industries converted into gas based, and this will be possible when people get sensitized about the how we are going to be benefited by using the natural gas. So this is the one good opportunity for city like Goa, and these all opportunities can be utilized provided if the people come forward for taking their domestic connection, and industries who are using other alternate fuel like HSFO or furnace oil, they may go and come back and evaluate their consumption, and then they may be able to understand that how it is going to be beneficial in terms of their economics. If these things are happening, I'm sure Goa is going to be one of the biggest in city of this area where we are going to use our gas consumption. And not only that gas consumption, comfort of life of people in terms of domestic use of PNG, in domestic use at home, consumption in their CNG cars, and this is going to be a beneficial for all. And for that, this GNGPL is committed to make all the infrastructure available in terms of laying pipeline, in terms of putting CNG stations, and we are, I told you, this is a very small company, but we are very confident that we are backing up by two big companies. So from all front of view, we have a very technical expert, we have a good marketing team, we have a good project team, and we are good everything in all respect. So this put together will be a benefit for all this city Goa people, that we may get a good advantage of this GNGPL by making the use of the gas, either it is a home, either it is a industry, either it is a commercial, either it is in their own car. So this is what I want to say, that people when they come to Goa, they will feel that how it is already a very good and neat and clean, but still they will realize that still people are using the CNG because they understand the sensitivity of the economic environmental issues. So it is good, and with the hope that this kind of scheme I have launched for this domestic. Similarly, we are going to have something in next couple of months for the taxi operator for CNG use in the city of Goa, and this is going to be a definitely helpful and beneficial win-win situation for all local people, whether it is an entrepreneur. And not only that, we are also open to have some kind of proposal, a company who want to have interest in opening company owned dealership, or want to have some kind of different model. So we are working on that, and we will come back with some similar kind of proposals for CNG people and for the user of the CNG in their car. See, we from a promoters company, we are almost 6 people here, but we are, apart from that, we are our people from the on contract basis, people from our own payroll. We are working on this. So we have almost 25 people, including all dedicated. 25 people are scattered at different locations for operation, fire safety, for marketing, for finance, and everything. So it's a small company, but having a lot of you can say revenue commitment and in future plan as well.
Consumers.
Consumers registration,
So 8,000 plus.
8,000 plus consumers
8,000
we have
plus
got.
consumers.
8,000 plus. Because actually this could have been gone more, but because of these two COVID
COVID
waves, is badly affected our plan. So, but now we are doing all our efforts to make this from 8,000 to 15,000 at least in this financial year.
It will be free for 3 months.
Yeah, it will be free for 3 months from starting supply from November, December, January for 3 months. But for that he has either he has to come through society or if he has to come individual as well. So people, our target is to bring people more and more in our company's approach. They should be, our penetration will be possible only when people come forward.
So all the people in the south, it's only for the north.
No, we are only
We are only
only for price for north. South Goa we are not covering. South North Goa and Ponda. These are the two areas where we have been authorized by our government.
So the people you are saying was wants to get the free connection, they have to just pay 500 rupees charges. That's just a minimum charges. And afterwards, from November, December, January, they'll be getting a 3 months free gas supplies from the company.
For the getting the supply, they need to pay 5,500 as a security
Security
deposit. That also we are giving a flexibility. If
Yeah,
they want
it's
to
an EMI
convert in a
option, yeah.
EMI also, that also is going to be a
So
easy option
flexible.
for them.
So EMI options.
So this is
also-
all the way we have a platter, all you guys. Now people have to decide which way they have to go.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान इर्शाद शेख.